Are you struggling to build AI agents for your business because you think it takes too much time or it's complex to build, requires a lot of technical knowledge, right? So today I will show you how you can build the AI agents that this simple to build, which does not require a lot of knowledge, a lot of technical skills, and you can simply build and start using for your business to save time, to save hours, right? Instantly. So within a matter of minutes or seconds, you can say you will have the whole transcript, the whole AI automation AI agent will be ready that you can use instantly for your business. So I will show you. So here you can see I built this AI agent, this AI automation where I'm giving a simple task, but let me show you. So it takes the webinar transcript as an input. Then using the AI agent, it convert that transcript into the multiple social media posts that I can use to put on the social media. Okay, and then it check the human with the for the review, and then based on that, it do the editing and then give the final output. All right, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so I will go here and click on the run. Now you see it is asking first for me the giving the webinar transcript. Okay, so I have already have a transcript with me over here. So I'm just copying this whole transcript from here from the webinar. Okay, now I will paste the transcript over here. It can be your YouTube video transcript or it can be some other blog post. Depends on how you want, right? So this is just an example where AI is taking the webinar transcript, converting it into a social media post that you can post on different social media, so you don't have to create the separate content for that platform, right? So over here, I put that social media, the webinar transcript, click on continue, and now it will generate me the social media post for that. So let's see. Now the agent is running, okay, and working over here. Let's see. So social media generator, Gemini 2.5 flashes thinking, okay, and here you go. So here it is, our first LinkedIn post. All right. So let me read it for you. You know that feeling, the one where you have built something incredible, a coaching practice, a consulting business, an expert service, something you are truly passionate about and great at. You're helping people, making an impact, and maybe even doing well financially. But despite the success, you still feel trapped. That was me for years. I had a physical company, and while I love parts of it, I was tied to a location I always knew. I did my best work when I was out and about traveling or just not stuck in a traditional office. So you see how beautiful it wrote, and I also give it our brand voice, right? So it don't try just something random, something like AIs, but something that's follow our writing style, our speaking style, our brand voice. So it sounds more like us when the user read it. So I've really, I really love it. That output is so good. So for a long time, I bought a lot. I felt necessary to build and grow, but then I read a book and join a mastermind that challenge the idea, the concept. To be a truly effective entrepreneur, maybe 6, 7 hours focused work a day is more than enough. So you see how beautiful it is. It wrote everything in a complete big, uh, lengthy, okay, big lengthy link post for me over here with the pointers as well. So just in the last week, I used AI for things like contract writing, financial scenario planning, content production, presentation building, website creation, programming. I mean, for so this is the whole social media post I have. Then I have the another post, longer one. Then I have version 3. Okay. Then I have the Instagram post as well. So let's see that as well. Ever feel like you are working constantly but still not getting ahead? Like you are trading every hour of your day for progress? Then I've been there for years, even after building a successful online business, blah, blah, blah. And you see, it uses a lot of different emojis because Instagram is a lot of emoji based captions people use over there. And then at the end, you will also see the hashtags. So everything is done by the AI agent and it done in a fraction of seconds. It write the whole big blog post for me, whole big LinkedIn post, Instagram caption. And within a matter of seconds, I just put the transcript, the content is ready in front of you. And you can do that simply like if you wanted to convert your blog post into the content, or for example, if you wanted to write emails for your audience, if you wanted to send a particular personalized email for your client, you can build any kind of different automations over here. So let me show you how I built this. All right, so I will go in the workflow. There are two different things, one is agent, one is workflow. Workflow is a simple process like how you want something to get done. Agent is a smart AI agent that do the process for you based on the it will think and it will do the work. Automation is simply like the step by step process. Okay. So first you have to build the agent, and I have built the agent already over here. So this is like the social media post generator. If I click on that, so you will see here. Uh, so I give it a little bit description. So you are a social media content repurposing assistant. Your job is to take the long webinar transcript and convert them into engaging first person social media posts, especially tailored for the LinkedIn and Instagram. So it depends on if whatever kind of content you want. First, you have to give it a background, what this AI agent can do. So I'm giving it a background. I'm telling it like what your specialty are, what kind of things you can do, what kind of agent you are, right? So how you have to think. Then I give it a little more description over here. After that, I go and give it an output format, like what kind of output I desire. So for the LinkedIn, I want format is complete, natural sounding post written for the first person, clear language and original insights. Each post should feel like a personal reflection. Okay. So I give it all set of things in the output format that I wanted. So one important thing over here is make sure the output or the thing will. So if you wanted a better output, the prompt is the most important thing. If you won't able to give the better prompt, the output won't be that good. Here I give it a very detailed specific prompt for the output, how I want it, how it should look like, how many words do I want, you see over here. Okay, so how should the CTA will look like, they should contain the hashtag or not. Your output, your prompt should be much detailed, specific and properly structured, then you will get the best output from the AI agent. Okay. Here in the knowledge source, I didn't give any knowledge source, but if you have some kind of knowledge source you want AI to take as an input, then you can give it as well. In the output setting, you can choose the language in which you wanted the output. Okay. And then here in the brand voice, you can put your own brand voice. So click on create new. And if you have some kind of content ready already, for example, if you wrote some kind of blog post, some kind of ads, some kind of emails, then you can put that over here. Okay. And AI will take that content and generate the your brand voice from that. If you wanted to like tell it by yourself, then you can just simply put that over here. Okay. And then it will generate the brand voice for you. So you can choose whatever way you want. I prefer like upload your content that you already have, and then AI will generate the proper brand voice description for you. That works really good. Okay. Now, after you did that in the language model, you can choose what language you want. I tried this Gemini 2.5 Plus. It works pretty good. It was really good with the content generation, as you just saw in the output in the demo. You can also choose different one over here like GPT-4, GPT-5, or the Claude, right? So it have different models, DeepSeek, Claude, Llama, right? So you can choose whatever you feel best. Over here, I tested with the Gemini 2.5 and I'm really impressed with the result that it generated. So I think I will keep it because it is also not away. It is like available in the free version as well, and you can also go with the paid version also. So that is your choice. Here, maximum output tokens, I keep it full. So it use as much tokens as needed, right? And then the temperature, keep it like full. So here you can build this. And if you wanted to do the integrations, like if you wanted it to generate the images, if you wanted to generate the mind map, you can do lot of different integrations over here. Okay. So you can still build a lot of complex AI automations, AI agents over there in the MindPal. And if you don't wanted to build something from scratch, you can also find a lot of templates here in this. But yes, so this is one of the example that I showed you, the workflow. Here I build a AI agent and I build a workflow that creating me the whole long and like my brand voice and the everything and the proper generated professional post for my social media that I can use immediately. Right. So every kind of workflow. So for example, if I go in the template, you will see a lot of different people generated a lot of different workflows here. So if you want something for the SEO checker optimizer, you can do that. If you want something to generate the sales meeting preparation, you can build the automation for that, right? If you want content idea brainstorm, you can do that. Website to TikTok video, you can do that. So a lot of different workflow already there. You can try it out. If you wanted to learn more in deep how you can use this AI agents, how you can build this automation from scratch, if you wanted a template that I built, right, you can join my you can like fill the form in the description. You can and yeah, when I will launch my school membership, I will you will get a chance to join that. And plus, you can fill the form in the description to get a free ebook where I will tell you the 5 best AI automations that you must have to get the fastest result in your business to save the maximum amount of time instantly, right? So if you want that ebook, you can simply fill the form from the link in the description. And if you wanted to learn more about these kind of AI agents, the AI automations, AI agents that save you time, help you to generate more sales for your business, you can subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.